everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use our Jotform integration in order to take payments directly through your portal. Firstly, you want to head over to your Jotform account. You'll need to create one if you haven't already. It's free to do so. Now you'll need to create your payment form. You can either use and edit one of the existing templates or create your own from scratch. Once you've created your form, you'll need to connect to whichever payment method you're using, whether that's PayPal, Stripe, or another provider from the payment settings. Then, once you're happy with the form you've created and you've made sure it's enabled from settings, you simply need to copy the link from the Publish tab and navigate back to your Clinked account. Then go to the group that you want to put the form in and create a new note. Simply paste the link from Jotform into the note and hit save. The form will then automatically generate so that users can view and submit payments directly from your portal. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.